Hello everybody, welcome to this video on how to install Pycharm. So just go to this website, jackbrain.com Pycharm. So you can click here download, and then you choose we are going to use community version. So professional is you have to go for free trial. We don't need professional, so you just click here download. You start download automatically. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to click. So yes, click yes. It's a very straightforward application. I'll just allow you to this destination folder. You may browse and change. It's up to you. So click next. Create a desktop shortcut. I'll create 64-bit. Add additional read to path. Update path variable restart needed. This is for Windows, guys. This is update content menu. Add open folder as project. Then I'll take this one. Click next. Select the start menu folder in which you will like to create the program shortcut. I'll just allow it like the JackBrain, then I'll just click install. It's gonna take a while depending on your machine and your computer, depending on your machine and your internet speed. Sorry. So you can show details here if you want. So I want to manually reboot. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Pycharm editor. Do you want to reboot now? I'll just take manually reboot. So you can choose any of them. You can choose reboot now, or just take manually reboot. Click finish. So this is the Pycharm. When we launch it, remember guys, this is for Windows. Next video coming up, I'll do the one for Mac. JackBrain private policy. Continue. I will not send